You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name, pronunciation, American rapper and actor, if you want to learn more. Music, celebrity names, and more celebrity names in general that are confusing. Make sure to stay tuned. I'll link to many super mispronounced words and names at the end of the video. Ludacris. Lu? The stress is on that first syllable. Ludacris. Ludacris. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.